Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jaggery tea with milk. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need Jaggery, milk, water, your preferred tea leaves, and any spices you enjoy, like ginger or cardamom. Using fresh, full-fat milk is key for a truly rich and creamy tea. Also, choosing a good quality Jaggery will significantly enhance the authentic sweetness and overall aroma of your brew. To begin, pour 1 cup of water into a saucepan and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, add 1 teaspoon of your favorite tea leaves and about 1 inch of freshly grated ginger. Allow this mixture to simmer gently for 2 to 3 minutes. This step is crucial for extracting a strong, flavorful tea base that will perfectly complement the Jaggery and milk. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And on another note, just like making a perfect cup of tea, meal prep can be easy too. Check out these fantastic leak-proof containers for all your food storage needs. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, add 2 tablespoons of grated Jaggery to your simmering tea base. Stir continuously until the Jaggery completely dissolves, ensuring no lumps remain. Then, carefully pour in 1 cup of milk. Continue to heat the mixture, bringing it to a gentle boil. Be careful not to overboil, as this can sometimes curdle the milk with Jaggery. Once the tea reaches a gentle boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for just 1 minute. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, carefully strain your freshly made Jaggery milk tea into your favorite serving cups. Your warm, comforting, and perfectly sweetened Jaggery tea is now ready to be enjoyed. It's a delightful treat for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.